Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a quick test. It's the data and statistics pre-test. It's from the Cambridge book, Cambridge class 8 book guys. So it's the first test. So it's the pre-test. It's pretty simple. It tests your knowledge on what you learned in year 7. So let's get started in this video guys. Do ensure to subscribe before watching. So, our first question is arrange the following in ascending order. So, we have to arrange all of these in ascending order, guys. So, let me get my pen out. So, for question A, we know that the smallest here is 0, followed by 2, 4, no, followed by 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10, and 14, guys. So now because we know this, right, guys, that's our answer. So our answer for this one, so our answer for what do you call? The A is 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10, and 14, guys. So this is our answer for part A. Now let's look at part B, guys. So I'll use a different color pen for part B. So now let's look at part B. So the smallest number here, as you can see, is 20, followed by 30.6, and then 36 takes us to 100, 101, and 204. So now let's write this in our answers, or in your case, you guys can be writing the answer in your book. So, what's the answer for question B? So the answers are 20, 30.6, then the same way we have 36. After 36 we have 100, 101, 101, and 204. So guys, that's our answer for B. Now let's look at the last part of question number 1, that is C. So in C they are asking us, all of these are what do you call? Ascending order. So all of these are here decimals. So what you have to go for the smallest number, that's in this case 1.2. So that's 1.2 there. Then we have 1.7. Sorry guys. It's 1.2. Then we have 1.7, 1.9, 2.7, 3.2, and 3.5. So now let's write this in for the last part, guys. So for C, we can write 1.2, 1.7, 1.9, 2.4. We can write 2.4, 3.2, and finally at 3.5, guys. So now guys, you have the answers here. I've written the answers for you so you guys can clarify if you have any doubts. So this is the first question. So now let's move on to the second question, guys. So the second question, what they're asking us to do is to find the total and then find the mean. So basically finding the mean. So they're explaining how to do that. Find the total and the average for each sets below. So now let's add for question 1, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. The way how I do this is you add everything, right guys? So let's add it. So 12 plus 10 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 would give me 40. Let's do that for everything. Let's add everything. So then 24 plus 19 plus 19 plus 17 plus 15. This will give us, this will give us 94. And then finally we have in decimal 0.8 plus 0.7 plus 0.6 plus 0.6 plus 0.6. So 3 it makes it 3.3. 3.3. So now guys, what we have to do, so we need to find how many numbers there are. So in each of them there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we divide this by 5. We have to divide everything. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all the numbers have 5. So we divide all of them by 5, guys. So the answer what we get then is, for question 1, when you divide 40 by 5, you all get, what do you call, 8. Right, guys? So you all get 8. And then for question B, when you, what do you call, divide 94 by 5, it comes up as 18.8. And then finally, guys, when you divide 33 by 5, you will get the answer as 0.66. So guys, this is our answer. So detailed explanation for question 2. Now let's move on to question 3, guys. So in question 3, they're asking us to use the following sector graph to answer the following questions. So question number A, what fraction of the income was spent on food? So you can see here that food is in green. Food is in green, guys. So you can see that food, they've highlighted as 60%. 60%. So this is food. So food 60%. So what fractions on food? So you can write 60, because fraction is the whole thing, by 360. Now you can simplify this if you want to. So 60 divided by 360. No, 60 by 360. It will give us a simpler format, which is 1 by 6. Now looking at what's the size of the angle for the rent sector. So now when looking for the rent sector, the rent is this one, this portion, the blue one. So first we need to find that this is 90 degrees, right, you guys? So you need to add 90, 60 and 60. 60 plus 60 is 120. 120 plus 90 is 210. So 360 minus 210 would give us 150. So this is 150 degrees. So now with that we know that. Now what we have to do? 150 by 360, which is equal to 150 by 360, 5/12. And then our final part, that's question C. We are asked, what do you call? If $420 is saved each month, so savings 420, how much is spent on food? Okay, now we can see both the angles are the exact same, so both the results are going to be same. So $420. Then how much is spent on the car? So the car is this red thing, guys. We haven't answered it at all, but you can see this box here that's giving us the 90 degree. So with this box, you can, what do you call, think that it's 90 degrees. So you can write it in as 90 degrees. So guys, this is the answer of question 3. Let's move on to question 4. Okay guys, in question 4, they were asking us how many hours of television were watched on Wednesday. And then, so we have this column graph here, guys. Column graph, and then we have to answer the answer based on these results. So you got to answer based on these results, guys. So let me change the color of my pen real quick to red. So how many hours of television were watched on a Wednesday? So to Wednesday, you can see that 4 hours, 2, 3, 1, even this is a 4, 8. So guys, how many hours were watched on a Wednesday? On a Wednesday, we know that it's a 4. So 4. How many hours of television was watched on a Monday? On a Monday, so this is the Monday, it's 3. So you can just substitute. On which day was the most television watched? We can see that this bar graph or this column is very high. So we can know that this is the answer. So now how much is this? 8 hours. 8 hours. So how many hours of TV were watched over the week? So now you have to add all these things up. So when you add them all up, you get it as a massive number of 260 hours. That's a lot of hours you waste on television, bro. So final question, that's E. We have what fraction of Saturday was spent watching TV? So what fraction? So now we can divide 8 by 24. Then we will get what you call 1 by, it's not 260 hours, 26 hours. 1 by 3. So that's the answer for question B. So guys, that's all for this, mini test. Thank you for watching. Do ensure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you.